How's it going, everybody? This is your friendly neighborhood program manager, Scott Dzinski again, and today I'm going to talk about uploading files to our crowdsourcing solution center forums, some brief issues that can arise while you're doing that, and then the other resource that we have developed for the crowdsourcing solution center, which is our CSC file sharing system. The final thing I'm going to talk about is our call-in service. I said in the first video that I made I wanted to get a call-in service, and we got it. So here we go. I'm already logged in. Hi, Program Manager Scott. You guys won't be able to see that employees section, but it's okay. So we'll go here and go to our engineering forum. So this will still look a little different by the time you get here, but that'll be okay. So you're on the LED lighting and fixture team, and you have to upload something into the LED design. So this right here, this picture is actually done through this process of uploading a picture into the form and then including it in the form post. So we're going to talk about how to do that first. So this was a test reply and another test reply and yet another test reply because we're beta testing our system. But let's do this. Let's hit reply, and then you can write in your text here. So showing off for the video. So if you want to add a picture or whatever into the file, into this post, you're going to add file, and we'll pick something random. So let's take a picture of Ken. Ken is one of our board members. He is one of the leading smart grid engineers. He works with he works at GE Energy at the moment. Really smart guy. Anyway, so I've uploaded the file, and it says the file's listed here. You can add another file if you want, but if you want to put it into your message, you have to hit insert. So we'll hit insert, and you get this attachment 1 / attachment. And that's where the photo is going to go in the file post, and then we can write more stuff here, so on and so forth. So then we hit submit, and there you go. Picture of Ken, and that works. Now, sometimes this will happen. So there's supposed to be a photo there or a file there, but that something's gone wrong. Most commonly what has happened is it's too big, or the file type isn't supported. So if you're including a picture or something, it's usually too big when it doesn't show up. So the first thing to try, if you really want to get it in there, is open it up with Paint, if it's a picture or something, and just shrink the scale down, and that'll usually solve your problem. But let's say you want to upload an Excel file or a PowerPoint or whatever you want. You can't do that directly into this form. So you would write out the file type and where to get it, and that's through our CSC File Sharing Center. Now you can either do that here, or you can do it up here in our CSC File Sharing Center. So let's go here. And that brings you to this. You guys won't be able to see this because that's for employees, but CSC File Sharing Center. You see there's one file up there at the moment. So we'll click on this, and that gets you to the different categories. So if you're on the solar panel team, obviously you want to post it under the solar panel button. But since we're working under LED lighting and design, let's go here. So here is a file that's currently on, up for downloading, where people can just go and get it. So if you want to download it, you can do it obviously here. And then if there's a lot of files, you can search for the name, search for the name of the file with this button here. But let's say you want to submit something. Let's submit a file. So we'll click submit a file, brings you up to the top. I'm not sure why it does that, but what can you do? So upload from your computer, yes, we'll hit next. Scroll back down again. We're going to choose a file, and let's pick, we'll pick this one. So, because I need to upload this file. So this is the voltage system file. So we're going to upload it here, and you'll notice that it comes up here. We'll hit upload, let it think a little bit. So please wait while DocMan is uploading. DocMan is our file sharing software that we get, so it brings you to this page. So title, light the world system voltage. This is for our power regulation, and then this says with cover page, so we'll get to there. And next one is the category. So since I clicked on the LED lighting and design and I hit upload from there, it automatically sets itself to here. But the light the world system voltage actually needs to go under mini grid systems. So if you accidentally click into the wrong place and hit the upload, doesn't really matter, just as long as you get this category right. So this file needs to be in the mini grid systems. We'll do it there. Approved, make sure you hit yes. A brief description, so this is the voltage selection overview. And then here you can upload an image if you want. You don't have to, nothing big there. Permissions, you just leave it alone. Licensing, we can get into licensing later, but hopefully this isn't a problem. And then you can, details, you guys can leave that where it is. So we're going to hit save. And thank you for your submission. And it's going to show. It shows up here. So now, before anybody can see this, you obviously have to address this. So this document must be published before downloading. So the publish button is right here. So we're going to hit publish. And then just for the sake of showing y'all, we'll go into our CSC File Sharing Center, click on File Sharing, and we just wanted, so the file that we just uploaded here is under the mini grid systems. Here it is. Click download, problem solved. And this will be the way that most of the files that we deal with, will be handled, because the forum is very limited on what you can upload. So this is pretty easy to do, and once you get used to it, it should be very, very easy. Again, if you have questions, feel free to Skype me or email me. And then the last thing I wanted to talk about was the call-in number, right? Okay, so the call-in number. The nice thing about the call-in service that we're using is that, you'll email me with this contact form. So here's the contact form. In the subject line, it's very important to say, I want a call-in number, I need a call-in number. I say that right here. In the subject line, type get a call-in number. And that way it automatically prioritizes itself in my email box so I can get back to you sooner. So you'll send this to me and I'll get you a call-in number. What it gives you is it gives you a phone number to call with a code to get into the call. And the really nice thing is, after you've done the giant conference call, if you missed something or, your notes kind of trailed off somewhere, you can call into the same call-in number and then type in a different code and listen to the conference call recorded. So that's pretty nice. I think that's everything I wanted to cover today, guys. More stuff is going to be on the way. Thank you so much for y'all's interest in Light the World, and check back soon, because as you can see, the website is changing. It's a lot of updates. We're trying to hit the ground running here very shortly. So I think that'll do it for me. New videos and responses to problems and updates to the website are going to be coming regularly, so please check back soon, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.